question directly to Dabbawalas. But really I am happy today. Some other questions comes, and I always suggest in Mumbai, I am Marwadi, being Agrawal. But sorry, don't take it otherwise. I want to work for the Maharashtra and particularly Marathi people. Okay. Despite I am Marwadi. Why? I want these people should be entrepreneur. I am a teacher. I am running a coaching for CA from 11 to commerce to till CA. I want to, and I am teaching. Last result came, I was having 93 students. Among 93, only 3 were the Marathis. I told why? I want that student people should become the entrepreneur. I cannot make the definition of entrepreneur. So what you have started, please make this inception in your mind, consume in your mind. You should become the best entrepreneur of this country. Really. Then only you can help yourself, help family, maybe of course society, and of course ultimately nation.
Sir, what should be our main strategy?
Shall we start for the talk there? Please.
Siddharth from tagandpin.com. Today users are burdened with so many loyalty cards that they don't even bother to carry one. And brands are charged a premium for such loyalty solutions. We plan to solve this problem. Tag and Pin provides a unique mobile-based loyalty solution to brands, and brands get a complete flexibility to either move between the coalition loyalty solution or independent loyalty solution anytime. They can pick and choose their partners for a loyalty program. They can move between partners anytime in the future. And users get all the loyalty solutions on a single platform. They can just log into the portal and see all the loyalty points corresponding to different brands and the offers related to that. And we have built a location-based layer on top of this platform. So if I'm standing here, I can just search the products, the offers around me based on price, points, etc. And hopefully you'll come to learn a lot more about us in future.
I welcome everybody to the second and the last day of the summit. The first day was a great success, and we hope the second day is a great success too. So please wait and watch. The Startup Showcase is going to be presenting all the startups in front of you in a few minutes, and they'll be presenting the startups in front of you for about 4 to 5 minutes and tell you what the startup is all about and what problem they're solving. So stay tuned, and we'll be back in a few minutes.
All at E-Summit of EDC IIT Delhi. Today we have a showcase of so many invitees, and Live Webcasting India is giving a live coverage to the entire event for 3 days, 3rd March, 4th March and 5th March. So you all people are welcome over here. Fine, thank you.
Hi, I'm the founder and CEO of Atlogis Technical Consulting. We basically provide next-door CTO services. CTO here stands for Chief Technology Officer. I started this company a couple years ago, and the whole idea is to provide a smart CTO service meant for designing and deploying, not coding, only designing and deploying large-scale, heavy traffic web and mobile platforms. We focused on the domain of socially engaging and interactive web and mobile platforms. The whole mission behind starting Atlogis was to make the process of offshore software development completely seamless and hassle-free for the entrepreneur. We create a seamless experience for them, which is as follows. As a CTO, we would work collaboratively with the entrepreneur in the first step to create an optimized technical execution strategy which is fully in line with their business visions. Next, we would seamlessly source and select the most optimized software development vendor for them, and we would help them get an optimal business quotation. In the third step, we would personally create robust and scalable software design and architecture for the entrepreneur, and then we would also CTO the development team to ensure that they're coding the same in a modular and a maintainable and a test-friendly manner. In the fourth step, we provide a new service which is called EED, in other words, Engineering Eye for Detail. What we do here is provide an array of services which would make your product 360-degree complete. And this consists of a bunch of things which are often 99% of the time ignored by software development companies. And these include performance, security, scalability assessments and audits, third-party integrations and APIs. So the whole idea through the Smart CTO service is to allow the entrepreneur to focus on the business and not the software. We take care of your technology, and through our interaction you get much better code, faster, which is completely in line with your business requirements. Overall, you will end up saving 50% on your development time and almost 40 to 30% on the development costs. Thanks.
Day 2 of the event. So yesterday we met some 100 plus students here. The response showed by them was really overwhelming for us. Some of them already knew about Paytm, but some of them were a little unaware about it. So I made them browse through the website, and we gave some free recharges to them also. They were very overjoyed with that. So today I am also expecting some students to come here and to know more about Paytm. We still know we have a long way to go, and thank you very much.
What I actually mean is, this is the place where if you have got some talents as in photography, paintings, art, picture, audio, video, etc., you can come to touchtalent.com and you can upload your work there. Subscribers admire your talent, so you get your first incentive of appreciation, feedback, and we also give you an opportunity to monetize your work. So yeah, so Vishant will be speaking about different sample showcase that we have gathered from our users.
We always believe that art is limited to elite class, but we have changed this thought, and today we have all the products which are displayed here by common janta who are extremely talented. This is a charcoal painting by Abhradeep, and these are some photography done by our users. And I would like to also show this card made by Mallika Kejriwal, who is a DU student, but she works very passionately to make all these cards. So we are trying to build a platform where these talented people can come there and show off, groom and monetize their talent. Ankit?
Yeah, so basically the bottom line is, if you have got some talents, do not forget to visit touchtalent.com. Thanks.
What happens? What is going to
अरे वो तो